Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by testing and correcting the fundamentals because chemistry dictates clarity. Test pH, alkalinity, and stabilizer now. Low alkalinity makes pH bounce and cloudiness follows. Once pH sits at 7, 6, and alkalinity sits in the target range, you can safely add sanitizer without wasting product. Make sure chlorine is above 1 ppm. If not, shock the pool. At the same time, skim leaves and vacuum visible debris, so sanitizer can work direct. Next, you shift focus to continuous control, filtration and sanitizer. Run the pump 8-12 hours daily to turn over water. Check filter pressure and backwash or clean when it rises 6-8 psi above baseline. Meanwhile, keep free chlorine between 1 and 3 ppm and maintain cyanuric acid around 30-50 ppm for outdoor pools to protect chlorine from the sun. Once done, add algaecide weekly and brush surfaces. This prevents algae that defeats clear water, even with proper chlorine levels. Finally, you polish and troubleshoot to keep the pool blue. If tiny particles remain, use a clarifier or flocculate and vacuum to waste. This clears the last haze. Make sure skimmer baskets are empty and return jets aim for proper circulation so dead spots don't form. If water turns green or stays cloudy, measure combined chlorine. If high, superchlorinate with a shock at up to 10 times normal dose and run the filter continuously. That single troubleshooting step usually restores clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.